Hello, this is Math Grade 8. This is week 1, March 30th through April the 3rd. The topic for this week is solving one variable equations with variables on both sides. The TEK is 8.8C, and the materials are all within this packet with examples and vocabulary words. Of course, if you have access to the internet, you can download this off of the website. You would just go right here to the ECISD. You can click on the link right here for distant learning. On the side, you'll see where it says middle school lessons, 8th grade, math, and then you will be able to download for the week. When you download this, it will open it up in your web page. But if you go and open it up from the actual download, you'll notice that right above here there's a read aloud, and that read aloud will actually read you the packet or any part of the packet that you want to. Of course, you can have your parents, guardians, and or siblings help read to you as well, if you need help in that. Okay, so getting back to the packet itself, um, this is just a supplement, kind of help a little bit explain these problems in case you're having trouble following it or understanding it. So on this example 1, they want you to write an equation to represent. So it says 3 times a number decreased by 4 is equal to twice the number increased by 3. So they want to know what is the number. So they want you to solve the variable. But first, you need to write it out. So 3 times a number. Remember that anytime you see a number, you're going to substitute that with a variable. You can use X or any other letter that you choose, but to keep it simple, we could use X. Decrease, okay, is a key word which means to subtract. So we should know that this means to subtract. By 4 is equal to, so we know equal is our equal symbol. So right here is up to there. So this first part is what's going to go in here. So 3 times a number is 3x, decrease is minus, and 4. So we would write 3x minus 4, and then we stop at our equal sign. What's on the other side of it is what we see in the rest of it. Twice the number. Again, there's that word, the number. So twice the number means 2x increased, and increase we know means to add by 3. So on the right side of the equal sign, we're going to write 2x plus 3. So when we have this entire thing written out, we have 3x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 3. Now, we need to solve it. Once we have it, we need to be able to solve it. And there's a couple of different ways that we can solve it. We can do it by hand, where we move all the variables on one side, the consonants on the other side, or we can use our calculators and go into Math Solver if we're using the TI-84. Okay, we go, remember math, go up, solver, and what's on this side will go in the first box, what's on this side goes in the second box, and then we click OK, and then alpha solve, and we'll solve that problem. And so that's basically what you're going to be doing on week 1. So you do have examples, several different examples. Some of them you will have representations like this one, and some of them you'll actually have to read. And once you get down to number 9, is when you'll actually start doing this part on your own. So there is step-by-step explanations on how to do it. But of course, if you're still having trouble understanding or maybe forgetting how to do it on Math Solver, then of course you know that you can contact me during the hours that I'm available, and we can go ahead and continue to help you individually. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation on how you can go about solving these problems on week one. And I'll be trying to share these every week so that you have an extra resource to go to.